Quick question. Have you ever sat down to study at 7 p.m. and suddenly it's 10 p.m. and you're tired, stressed, and somehow remember nothing? Yeah, that was me. 3 hours, no results, just guilt. Then I tried something stupidly simple, a 10-minute rule, and no joke, it replaced almost all my long study sessions. Let me show you exactly how it works. Section 1, Why Long Studying Fails. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most study time isn't studying, it's staring at notes, rereading the same line, checking your phone, telling yourself one more minute. Your brain is technically present, but mentally gone, and the longer you sit, the worse it gets. Your brain hates endless effort with no reward, so it shuts down. That's why you feel burned out. Before doing any real work, pause. This is where the 10-minute rule flips everything. Section 2. What is the 10-minute rule? The rule is simple. You don't study. You commit to 10 focused minutes. That's it. No, I'll study for 2 hours. No pressure. No motivation needed. Just tell yourself, I'm allowed to stop after 10 minutes. Here's why this works. Your brain doesn't fear 10 minutes. It fears long, painful sessions. This removes the mental resistance. And once you start, something interesting happens. Mini cliffhanger. You usually don't stop at 10. Section 3. Why it replaces 3 hours. Let me explain the magic. When the pressure is gone, you focus faster. You procrastinate less. You actually think. Those 10 minutes become high-quality effort, not fake studying, real work. And if after 10 minutes you're done, cool, stop, no guilt. But most of the time, you'll say, okay, let me do 5 more. That turns into 25. Then suddenly, you've done more than in 3 painful hours. Same brain, different system. Section 4. How to use it properly, step by step. Most people mess this up, so do it exactly like this. Step 1. Pick the smallest task. Not study physics. That's vague. Instead, solve 2 questions. Summarize 1 page. Revise 1 formula. Specific equals action. Step 2. Remove distractions for 10 minutes. Phone on silent. Tab closed. Timer on. No music with lyrics. No multitasking. Just you and the task. 10 minutes of honesty. Pause. This part matters more than you think. Step 3. Stop or continue, your choice. After 10 minutes. If you're tired, stop. If you're in flow, continue. The power is knowing you can stop. That's what keeps you going. Discipline comes after momentum, not before. Section 5. Real-life examples. This rule saved me during exams, burnout phases, days I felt mentally dead. On bad days, I still got something done. On good days, I surprised myself. And consistency beats motivation every time. 10 minutes daily destroys 0 minutes perfectly planned. So remember this. Long sessions burn you out. Small starts build momentum. Focus beats duration. Tonight, don't try to study better. Just start 10 minutes. That's it. Set the timer. Pick one small task. And trust the process. We're not here to suffer through study. We're here to outsmart it. Try this tonight. Let's level up together.